Hello everyone, you're welcome to this lesson. In this video, we are going to solve this question I have here on the screen. So let's look at how you are going to go about this question. You can also pause the video and try your hands on it. Then after that, you compare your answer to mine. So let's get started. Okay, so let's look at how we are going to go about this question. Okay. Alright, so first of all, what you're going to do is that you are going to do a substitution here. Okay, so let's look at what I'm going to do. We are going to say that let t be equal to x squared. Okay, then what we will now do is that we will now differentiate this. This is just the same as the u substitution that we were doing in the previous examples. Okay, just that this time around we are going to use the t before we bring in the u. Okay, so let's differentiate this with respect to x. We are going to have the t, the x, okay, and then this will give us what? 2x. Okay, so now let's make the x the subject, and we are going to have the x to be equal to the t divided by what? 2x. Okay, so now let's go back to the function and then do our substitution. Okay, we have the integral of what? X, okay, divided by what? X to the power 4. But now we know that t is equal to what? X squared, right? So you can write x to the power 4 as what? T squared. Okay, and then plus 4x squared can now be written as 4t. Okay, and then plus what? 8. Then our dx, okay, will now be dt, okay, divided by what? 2x. Okay, this is what we have. Okay, so let me just put this in brackets. So from here you can see that this x will cancel out this x, and then at the end we are going to have the integral of what? 1 over 2, okay, 1 over 2, okay, multiplying t squared plus 4t plus 8 t. This is what you have now. So you can factor out the half, and then we are going to have 1 over 2, okay, the integral of 1 over t squared, okay, plus 4t, okay, plus 8 dt. Okay, this is what you have now. Okay, so at this point you are going to do some factorization here. Okay, so let's look at how you are going to do it. Okay, so for the factorization, okay, we can use this expansion. Let's look at that. We can use a squared, okay, plus 2ab, okay, plus b squared, okay, equals a plus b squared. Okay, we can use this expansion for the factorization. So let's look at how we are going to do it. Okay guys, so now let's look at what I'm going to do here. Okay, so let's look at the denominator. Okay, so for the denominator we have t squared, okay, plus 4t plus 8. Okay, I'm going to write this as t squared plus 4t, okay, plus 4 plus 4. Okay, I wrote the 8 as a sum. Okay, all right, so from here you are now going to take just this part of the function, okay, and then factorize it. Okay, so we have t squared plus 4t, okay, plus what? 4. Okay, all right, so I'm going to rewrite this as t squared plus 2t, okay, times 2 times, okay, plus 2 times t, okay, times what? 2. Okay, and then plus what? 4. All right, so now let's compare this to a squared plus 2ab plus what? B squared. Okay, let's compare it and see what you are going to have. Okay, so in comparing it, you are going to see that our t will be equal to the a, and then okay, our b, which is this b here, will be equal to what? These 2 here. So b will be equal to what? 2. Right, so you can write the t squared plus 4t plus 4 as t plus 2 squared. Okay, so now let's bring it back here. So at the end we are going to have t plus 2 squared plus 4 as the denominator. Okay, so now we are going to have 1 over 2 multiplying the integral of what? 1 over t plus 2 squared, okay, plus what? 4 dt. Okay, this is what you are going to have. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, so let me write what we have now. Okay, so now we have 1 over 2 multiplying the integral of what? 1 over t plus 2 squared, okay, plus 4. But this time around, I'll write the 4 as 2 squared, okay, and then the t. Okay, so now let's look at what we are going to do next. Okay, so now we are going to do a u substitution here. Okay, so we are going to say that let u be equal to the t plus what? 2, right? So the u with respect to t, okay, the derivative of u with respect to t, okay, will be equal to what? 1, because the derivative of t will give us 1 and the derivative of 2 will give us what? 0, because it is a constant. So at the end, you are going to have du to be equal to what? dt. Okay, so now let's do the substitution. You're going to have 1 over 2 multiplying the integral of what? 1 over u squared, okay, 1 over u squared plus 2 squared dt. But now our dt is equal to what? Du, so we can just bring the du here so that everything will be in terms of what? U. Okay, so now let's look at what you are going to do. One thing you have to know is that the integral of 1 over x squared, okay, plus a squared, okay, with respect to x will give us 1 over a arctan x over a, okay, plus what? C. Let's take note of this. We are going to use this to answer our question, okay. Okay, guys, so let's continue. So one thing you have to know is that the arctan is this mass what? Tan inverse, okay. So at this point, we can see that our x will be equal to the u, and then our a will be equal to what? 2, which is this 2 here, and then this u here, okay. So you have 1 over 2 multiplying the integral of what? 1 over u squared plus 2 squared du, okay. So this will be equal to 1 over a, which is 2, okay, arctan x, which is u, and then divided by a, which is what? 2, then plus the constant of what? Integration 2. And then don't forget that we have another half here, okay. So now let's multiply by that half too. Okay, don't forget that half, okay. So times the half. All right, so at the end we are going to have 1 over 2, okay, multiplying 1 over 2, okay, arctan u on 2, okay, plus what? C, okay. So you see that I have this 1 over 2 here, and then I'm multiplying it by this constant, okay. But you see that that will also give us a constant, okay. So you still have our C here. All right, so at the end we are going to have 1 over 4, okay, arctan u on 2, okay, plus what? C. But don't forget the question was given to us in terms of what? X. So our final answer too must be in terms of what? X. All right, so from here, okay, we learned that u is equal to what? T plus 2. And then from the early substitution that we did, we learned that t is equal to x squared. Okay, that was the first substitution that we did. So therefore u will be equal to what? X squared plus what? 2. So our final answer will actually be 1 over 4 arctan x squared plus 2, okay, divided by 2 plus what? C. So this will be our answer, okay. If the answer is not written in terms of what? Arctan, then that would be in terms of what? Tan inverse, okay. So for that one, we are going to have 1 over 4 multiplying the tan inverse of what? X squared plus 2, okay, divided by 2 plus what? C, okay. So this will be our answer. Thank you very much for watching this video.